In this video, I will show you how to create a digital signature in Word. So the first step is to simply open Word. Now, if you're doing this from Windows, you're gonna have to simply go to Insert, and then here you're gonna see an option which is Insert Signature. So you're gonna have to simply click on that. Now, as you can see, I'm using a MacBook, so this is different on MacBooks. So you're gonna have to simply open your preview app. So you're gonna have to open the launchpad and then search for preview, just like this. Then you're gonna have to close this, so click on cancel and then go and click on file in the top left corner and then create your new file. So you're gonna have to simply click on take a screenshot and then select from selection. Now you're gonna have to select you're gonna have to select the area where you want to add the signature, and then you're gonna see this screenshot right here. Now, in order to add your signature, you're gonna have to simply go to tools, then go to annotate, and then select signature. Now, as you can see, I already have some signatures made by me. You can simply click on manage signatures, and then here you can click on create signature. So if you want, you can use the trackpad, so you can simply start drawing your signature, or you can simply select the camera and this will open your webcam, and then you can scan a piece of paper where you have the signature, and basically this will be transferred in a drawing here. So you can do that because that's the best way to basically replicate your signature digitally. So after you do that, click on OK, on done. Then you're gonna have to select it like this, and then you're gonna have to resize it a little bit, and then you're gonna have to save this file to your desktop on MacBook. So you're gonna have to click on X, and then you're gonna be asked to save the file, so simply click on save. I already have one, so I'm not gonna do that again. Now the next step is to open your Finder, and then you're gonna have to go to desktop, and then you're gonna have to find your signature and simply drag it over here. And as you can see, now you have your signature, so you can move it around wherever you want. You can resize it, you can make it smaller and bigger, and then basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.